Moving on, the Family Man gang is back, and so is the legendary Srikanth JK bromance. Off-screen, Manoj Bajpayee and Sharib Hashmi are in full form, pulling each other's leg and giving us the kind of banter fans love them for. We sat down with Manoj, Sharib and the director Raj to talk about season 3.
मैं एक एजेंट हूँ।
ओके
ओके
ट्रैवल एजेंट ना
He's a spy, Dumbo.
व्हाट आपका कोड नेम भी है क्या लाइक टाइगर पैंथर लायन
इंटेलिजेंस में काम करते हैं बेटा, सर्कस में नहीं।
सर, आपके नाम पे एक अरेस्ट वारंट इशू हुआ है।
आई एम अ सस्पेक्ट।
श्रीकांत सर ने अपनी फैमिली को भी इस सब में घसीट लिया है।
कोई बहुत बड़ा गेम चल रहा है।
Man is back, but this time we will not talk about you. We'll talk about Shahrukh.
Right.
The moment he saw me, Abhira.
Now, I overheard.
Yeah, you
I
were.
overheard, and you know what's really sad?
One second, hold on. JK, come here. he has to tell you something.
Yeah. So I was saying that it's really sad when you get to hear your co-actor who's been working with you for 7-8 years, speaking to a very well-known journalist, and more interested in knowing how was he in the first episode, and when the journalist admired his performance, appreciated few words, and he said, "That's all I want to do."
I said put it next week.
I mean, 7-8 years of relationship is ruined in that one moment. Believe me, I'm not well.
Manoj, say the iconic dialogue he said.
What?
What did he
That's
tell?
what he said. मैं कैसा हूँ?
मैं ठीक हूँ ना?
मैं ठीक हूँ ना? That's what he did. I mean, he didn't ask about the episode that much.
So तो सबने बता दिया.
He didn't ask about Manoj Bajpayee. He didn't ask about anyone. So forget about Manoj Bajpayee. Okay, how are the children working? They have grown up. Nothing. मैं कैसा हूँ? So you said, हाँ बिल्कुल बहुत बढ़िया. And then in a variety interview, I was talking about my nervousness and panic. And then it went to
JK.
Allah.
Shahrukh, yeah.
He said, नहीं मुझे कभी कोई नर्वसनेस नहीं होता। मेरे लिए बड़ा इजी होता है ये सीजन में जाना।
Correct.
I'm saying that he's panicking.
I saw the way he was saying, Manoj was saying that I get very nervous, it's very hard for me to get the character, and he did entirely explain I could feel his nervousness. It comes to Shahrukh and he goes, मेरे लिए बहुत आसान।
मुझे ये सब नहीं होता है।
आज पकड़ा गया शाहरुख।
पकड़ा गया
बुरी तरीके से।
चारों तरफ से।
हाँ, अगर आप ओवर रिएक्ट नहीं करते मनोज सर, तो फिर आप विश्वास नहीं करते।
मुझे अलग-अलग लोगों ने बताया हुआ है, लेकिन आज मैंने अपने कानों से सुन लिया।
Coming to the show, we see this Northeast. We already knew that's coming. What did you keep in mind? Because it's a very sensitive area. The people. How did you keep that in mind? That we have to make sure we don't go wrong when we are representing them culturally as well as politically.
I think if we go in with fear and trepidation that, oh shit, I might do it wrong, something is not aligned in yourself first, I feel, because you're just going in open-hearted, at the end of it, to understand, observe, absorb and represent. That's all. You're not doing anything more than that. You're not twisting it, you're not changing things, you're not trying to highlight or subdue any other stuff. So when you go open-hearted, go with it. I don't think we ever told us, hey, we should be careful, we should not do this. None of that stuff happened because we've been through. Season 1 and Season 2 were also sensitive regions, and so some cultures we knew very well, some we didn't. So it was good. It was great to go and explore actually.
And also, are you getting married this time? Dating someone in this episode? Is that happening?
पूरा सीजन देखिए एक बार।
I'm worried about you.
I am worried about JK. It's high time now that
he also has a family of his own.
But yes, we
लेकिन
really
स्वयं
like
पर
this.
रचाना पड़ेगा.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
सब वहाँ पे सबसे पहला जो कैंडिडेट होगा मैं ही रहूंगा वहाँ पे तुझे वरमाला पहनाने के लिए.
But it was so much fun to see you guys. I hope that your daughter now tells you that, Papa, I like Jaideep Uncle more than you.
This guy is a perpetual, is a favorite.
Favorite.
मैं तो यार
मेरी
सब्जी
जगह कोई नहीं ले सकता.
मैं अपनी फैमिली के लिए सब्जी हूँ, है ना?
Yeah.
घर की
Kanki Murgi.
When I was watching second season का that scene where I resigned from task. So that performance, I performed it, I forgot about it, and I was watching it, and inside me I felt, oh, yeah, Manoj, it was really good, you know. Somebody you are appreciating yourself.
How
Because I
nice.
don't watch myself, and the biggest critic of my wife, she's saying, good job, huh? Good job.
Thank you so much. It's always lovely talking to you guys, and I can't wait to watch the rest of the episodes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.